The Creating Out Loud program is incredibly important right now, more than ever, because we're going through such a critical time of change, and not often in the arts are there mentoring opportunities.
I think the benefits of being part of the Creating Out Loud research is feeling like we are actually working towards something that is of actual use for this industry. We are very good at talking to each other when we're in a rehearsal room or in a production place, but once we go out of that place, we tend not to connect as much, and I think connection is the most important thing.
I think it's always exciting to be part of a research group and to be part of discovering new findings. And this project gives us an opportunity to be part of something special. So working with external consultants or on projects like this can only benefit how we operate into the future.